A lovely alternative to the shell edging is actually a more angled version. I'm going to show you how you can do that from the shell itself. So we're doing this one, we're going left to right, so I'm going to turn the work because we're working in rows. If you're working in the round, continue in your round. So I'm going to insert my hook. If you're doing a different colour, obviously just attach your yarn as needed. I'm going to bring my yarn around the back there. So into the first chain, just there, you can see that there, we're going to make a single crochet. Into the next, a single crochet. And then into the next one, we're going to do 2 single crochets, a chain, and then 2 single crochets, all in the same chain there. So you can start to see the little angle popping up there. In the next two chains, we're going to be making a single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and then I'm going to be in this gap here, I'm going to be making this chain, I beg your pardon, chain, which is literally where it dips in. I'm going to be just slip stitching in there, just to give it a nice crisp look to it. So if I lay that out now, you can see the difference it's made. We've got this nice angle coming through. Okay, so next we're going to continue and we're going to do the same again. Insert our hook into the next chain, make a single crochet, in the next a single crochet, in the next 2 single crochets, a chain and 2 single crochets. In the next 2, 1, 2, we're going to make a single crochet. And here, in this little chain here, we're going to do a slip stitch. And then we're going to repeat again. So in the next 2, we'll do a single crochet. In the one after, we're going to do 2 single crochets, a chain, 2 single crochets. And in the next 2, we're going to make, I'll just show you, I'll just turn my work a little bit so you can see them better. 1, 2, we're going to make a single crochet. And that's our pattern, to give a more angled edge. And see how beautiful that would look on a blanket or on a top that you're making, or even a jumper. It'd be gorgeous. I'd love to know what you use this for. Thanks for watching.